Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do some popcorn chicken requested by my stepdaughter. So follow back at me and let us do this. So here I am cutting up my chicken breast in smaller pieces how I want to, and it's still a little bit icy because I like to do it this way, because when I do this way, it's easier to cut instead of when it's fully thawed. So I'm going to do this, but by the time I finish washing it with my vinegar and my lime, it will be entirely thawed, because it's just a little ice, to get a firm grip. Cut nicely that way. So of course, again, I wash my meat. I'm going to wash it with some lime and some vinegar. And of course, you see I remove all the skin and I remove the visible fat. Sometimes you miss a little spot, so when you're washing and going through, you finish taking off anything that you may have missed. And that's just me. If you want your skin on, or whatever the case may be, that's up to you, because different strokes for different folks, so you do that according to your likeness. All right, but I do remove all the skin and the visible fats, and I do wash with vinegar and lime. All right. Of time I season off camera. Here are all the seasoning that I use in my chicken. So now I have my flour that I've seasoned as well, and I'm coating all my pieces of chicken so that we'll have them nice and ready to go forward into frying. But this is the method that I saw someone used, Carla's Kitchen CC. So I'm trying it again. I've tried it and I like it, because I've always done my chicken differently to get it crispy and nice, but I like this method. So of course you flour it, you dip it in the water, make sure you drain all the water properly. Just have it for a few seconds and make sure that you have in a sieve or something that you can drain the water properly. And then you're putting it back into the flour it all over again. Because I do this twice for this part, I didn't think it's necessary for me to do it 3 times, because they're little pieces, so you'll get them nice and crispy and good to go. So after I dip it again a second time, I put it in the pan and I shake it, easier, get everything coated, of course. So here I repeat the process and we are good to go. So here I've gone ahead and the oil is hot and I started to put my pieces of chicken in, I had put some natural seasoning in the oil too, so I drop a couple pimento seeds in there, few pegs of garlic, and some thyme. And for those of you who love pepper, you can go ahead add pepper here, or you can add pepper when you are seasoning your chicken. I am not somebody who have much tolerance for pepper. My stepdaughter does not love it either, and this is for her, really. So we don't do peppers, but whatever you choose, you can always add, because remember, you are doing it for your soup, not anybody else. Look at this. You see how beautiful the colors look, and you should smell it. So delightful. I myself would want to tear these up, but I do know better. I do know better. You know, I can't indulge like this. I'll have a few pieces, but it smells also delightful. So you can go ahead, try it. Pretty easy. Pretty easy. Yes. And as I said, I normally use a different method to get my chicken crispy, but I've seen this done. You can also check out her channel, Tyler Cooking Cookies. I saw her use this method. I said, I'm going to try. I tried it. I like it. As a matter of fact, I thought this method that's how I would normally do. So go ahead and try it, and leave in the comment section below. Let me know how it turns out. But this will smell absolutely delicious. Oops, we have spills. We'll have to clean that up. But as we go along, because you clean as you go along. So here we are. I love the color, love how it looks. I even more how it smells. It smells oh so delightful. I'm telling you. So for those of you who have children, go right ahead and do this. They'll love you for it. And trust me, they'll ask you again and again. So you'll know what to do. Prepare yourselves when you make it for them to ask you for it again. Or if you're making it for yourselves, you're going to have to discipline yourself, because you're going to want to do it more than once. But smells absolutely delightful. And remember, here we have the finished product. Look at it. Pure deliciousness. You see how the color looks lovely. Yes. Smells delightful. And I've gone ahead and I've tasted it. You don't want it to be done. And this is some honey mustard dip that I've made for myself. Homemade honey mustard dip. If you want to know how to do it, which is quite simple, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll do an additional short video showing you how I did mine. Pretty easy. But here we are, guys. Looks lovely and tastes even better. So guess what, guys? I appreciate all of you. Love and blessings to you all. Thank you for support. Thank you for watching. And remember, whatever you do, lead with love. God bless. See you again in the next video. Here you are, guys. Try it. Delightful, I must say. Yes. Thank you guys for watching again. Crispy, lovely, beautiful. Yes. So go right ahead, give it a go. Pure deliciousness. Yes.